TV so Adom TV so bejonju media so dia wo kensi ho sempa en sa kana no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunyana me kono kwanten kodin sama do en sa kana no pensu biom e wo Ghana agudie eja o ka kire busuanfo namfofo oyere oma wo fasefo na na mukrumo ne obnafo ina se prof nya trasia ya den komo no 18 san ba na hye no soma me se dwumakuo mienu omna bom sika dwete me na no pe den komo no 18 abrel Richuku makacha so be so no issue dey no now start with dey right in the Ghanaian way dia Richuku ne oketwa yo afensu ne dentem ana afensu yo bode hormone set me ke be betian saboa be bia wo shopping bia mse e ma Richuku entimi enwo ne amam eno betian saboa nkwala ne betian no ma me ne papa enso bo bia eye bomodian da so betian aka Richuku Ghanaian kuku pa ne dia Richuku ebo ma ne ma etian koyi obetian no hot obetian no cold eniti ana medi one dance dia ma nti bomodian da so be no Richuku na for start to dey right the Ghanaian way. Yeah, can I game park limited from paying for the chachas on Quentin Saba. Such a boys dear 8 dinner some keto Quentin account for the amount. So also seek a duty 170 Sankuya na a game park limited. Omu game on their bay and amount for the Gym. The Biada or Adom TV sono and no part non cron 8 at the draw 8 in time so. I feel so crap and 12 p.m. Aside air draw 19 time so. Now 6 p.m. aside the draw no 8 aside bro. When the no power be there when we are so between the humanity we had 3 times draw 8 aside so the next chance within the day no obetimi SDB offer phone and also tablet na wako air play store no so na wa download game park limited app no na also the wetimi ansage myself we modern da in play na fe making some mula cash ga kudi and can wasem nobody beats our us in Ghana and if I want give them what emaniama 22 year from my game park limited ya say more mula more power modern da regulated by the National Lottery Authority and I feel ni mu fengo twen fa onyim obonso a anasa to chache ya na de adwene kakra to misan se diwa wa adwene betia bo muti betia sa hye wadi so betia biru kakra nti afa adwene kakra etia ton we mu any sponsors so mo teach da bo men no penso dia we can see one sempa saka etime jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step penchas here MFF EPL matches Saudi with fence PM no Manchester United for Chi Wolves etwomeka bakwa omantimi ante World Cup akensi kesi etimiansa to dwa wiase afa na ma so edima kotene ya cruise to the semi-final one stage awhema there's Spain and Sweden and they akensi ne betia boss ntiana wa hye ne so de amamene and asa akensi kesi ne betia to fam yemrem and so entintum club issues ma there's house of football catch no Senator Sem ne kan say we emere na wo former so den for beba nampa to gbe after the 14th the board chairman of Accra Folk majority shareholder oden komo hakra tiansa ba say asodin for supporters bi o club di ma ohwe nsemom ke kan ne ya omo da na di o club ma emwa emma enei omo entimi endom hodi o kwanso koso na sponsorship entimi emba club ne tifisa abire kodi ogidi pass potential sponsors no ebetia abadia na esa amanfo esesom suban.
The biggest challenge we have had so far has been from our own people. The biggest challenge from our own people, which is not fair. Even in the animals kingdom, I'm sorry to say, lions, they come together. They won't betray one of their own to highness. Would they do that? They won't do that. Lions will come together and defend their own against highness, let alone betray. I mean, that's the only thing I know where others and always insults, negativity, insults, so that even the good things we are doing, people will paint a negative picture, rubbish even the movement that we are building, which is the envy of many other clubs. It's not right. Dr. Nyauta said it. We all cannot think alike, and that's the beauty of humanity. Because we cannot think alike, that's why we're making progress. Your idea comes, his idea comes, my idea comes. All we see is progress. If we all think alike, it means what? Our forward march will be stifled. We can make progress. That's a reality. That is the reality. You know, since we took what has been the biggest challenge, making it go for us to raise sponsorship, because people think we are always fighting. People think we are always fighting. Those who have been against us have succeeded in stifling our progress. Some of the things we are seeing about man, for example, could have happened much earlier. A lot of the dreams would have been materializing much earlier. But from within, we are fighting. If the crocodile comes from the river and tells you about the nature of life there, can you dispute it? So people come from here, pretend, I'm talking about the family as a folk, pretend they know every bad that is happening and go and present it. Everybody believes it because it's coming from our supporters. Because no supporter is known to undermine his own. So if supporter is undermining his own, then there must be some truth in it. If he comes from the house and says the house is burning, it must be true, but it's not true. I said, for example, we never sack Papish. Some people like to say it every day up till now that we sack Papish. Even though they know the truth, why are we like this? People know we didn't sack what? Kenichi. But they so dishonestly and wickedly want to say that every day.
Until Togo after the 14th and 10 canon, no majority shareholder of across of football kuna nanwada wone stakeholders ni bi share mobom puno and other sound kumo ejam so mo na egubobo kune ni mase amana bedu bebe omatuen send your potential sponsors bi ahwetwem ho de dada amwa ama club no entien 2.0 obesere se fisa abre ko de sakreba ebitia aboa amaniama akoye yenko kumase kro bia sante kotokofo akachede a there's a former Black Stars coach James Akwasiapia no a member of the interim management committee omo na ehwe bubuko no so ufa na nanwada ye peke forms na afia hwe se executive council manfo between the bani achirem e Ghana Football Association for akache no ono so etuansa kopie mu bi won krawo fo no na kwame dankwa osi sapon kwame basabasa ono so kotoko supporters vice chairman ono so nkrane chese na ohwe anim senyame adoma ono so betuansa akọ executive council no so akọboa emaniama etia koye wo upcoming elections a enche bi betuansa to fem no ehon komo bi ensunie
James Kwesiapia or corporate executive council position be or GFA to the kotoko ticket and a print on the forms and they are submitting in we're paying the dues to Ghana football or bobo to the highest level or captain Sante Kotoko Akuchi Kotoko Abe Kochi the senior national team the Black Stars. He has seen it all and we are talking about football development and when you talk of football development our branches and I'm a football no edimu enti kwasi aspect no a ono so edeba esco no so no ya dey be boy football no papa technically no we need somebody a obitimi abo executive council no in terms of issues and decisions on be take or technical issues so enti I think that kwasi going there and ebebo when your opportunity no say 5 slots no eba no utimi Badwam he's going to represent the premier clubs and as a former player former coach of national teams over the years, you know. He understands the game. We name the SSEA. He develop especially earned talent. He develop talent, you know. The results are bad. And I think that Kwesiapia what it takes to join the ESCO, and we strongly believe he joining the ESCO no, make him impact papa never boy executive council so.
Nana kwame dankwa osi sapon kwame basabasa supporters vice chairman Adom Kumase Asante Kotoko na tene kan se odi James Akwasiapia ne nomination nkomo etuansa to Jesa papa yi tenka man de batoko kan executive council member some representing Ghana Premier League na etuansa boa ema in terms of discussion technical issues no nyama etua koye edi amom if you dey ni kire Eastern region epie tem dia Lenford Asamoah Boadu enso epenya on etiso incumbent a wo hwe nim se nyame adoma etuansa to ne so ababiu na huhu na from Chese you see Fala Sanchepsa former Kumase Asante Kotoko play and afen so kwa no agenti hwenim sen ko betia kopre na so nya de a utimi ekofa nkrata enkrane Chese Lenford Asamoah Boadu oko on opposed
football juma na yeye na sabe emra so se yeto aba na bana yeto no se obia be prese obeba begina mume nyina yenhwe yento abapa emma omo am deserve so omo wini mi ko fia sama eden am peke phone ni magina na mi gina so a Eastern region for monto mami na djuma pa me ye ho no yento aso
Asamoah Boadu say otoaso na hwese na obi antiansan contest ne dia neso otoaso anesa na yeko brekum asna abobuku na Alhaji Yakub Moro may so rest in peace ona abobuku ne de na so papa ya kanchine gwanei enchirima eguso hwese be abobuku betuansan tentam de gina ewo brekum hye so na okuma division 1 ana na komusia kan na so nei yepiom e de akopie mo division 2 om se ehon chichim no wo mo ehye da nyan omo tintim omo sem de gun krata so akogya Ghana Football Association for pay for say omo fan chichi mum yente nei omo air division 2 relegation na so besi sabere obia emfan fi omye eno nam so e mananan matankonya obrekum ene ne hye so enura omo so etime den san akra gu fam efre nanan masamafo say Ghana Football Association pay for kitem no omo so enye sa aduaboyi.
And we as now supporters here, we are standing here to prove to the FA straight up.
Yes.
Without us now in first division, I swear to God, there is no premier team. Let me repeat it. There is no premier team. Who's going to play team here? Who's going to play this league here?
Yes.
I swear to God, no Arsenal in Brekum. Let me prove to you guys, there is no Division 1 team here. Oh, bet my brother. I got a ball on this back. You see this speech? I swear to God, we got to prove to them. Without Arsenal, people remember the final to Sabola. We are against the FA. Kate, let me tell you one thing. If Yakubu Mono was alive, you shouldn't do this. You won't be doing this to Arsenal. Because you know who. I swear to God, just respect yourself. Be who you are. Be polite so that we can respect you. It is what it is, and I prove it again. Without Arsenal, Obiano bet my babo. Kuzo munana. Wala munachira.
Jami jabia ni bresopa. Yam Sabia or Sacra. Uncle Core. Only papa. So I can't say ye from anybody so be ye from Mubiano. Yado. Yadin say, Timon. Oh, I'm a good woman. Mamma Sopra. Mamma, a question, Salma, woman in friend, one other than me.
See, Brekuma Snabu Konomo, Echitafo, and Amuku Kwapai, Efa Kwamping for a woman trade, Ediamako PM L Division 2, and Rai, Western Senicity, and Namata Kunyasu, Isim Kunya, or Mo Igua Paeka Krasubia, or Bessoretia Asna Nodia, Western Nema Asia Cosnodia, or Mo Aka, Edia Tuoda, Edin San Etienne Sanguso, now to supporters and they say, Moa, Mocasetia Asnano, Monsacra intino near Etmensa Pimiti one sacra no near her session and Yama ACT a honum. By him firm 3 times Paralympian, Bucho in Kagwe, Raphael Bucho in Kagwe, one also Ednam Como Etmia Santuja, now on a fair lady, Mrs. Avognon, and a Chuchin Kuma or the San Kumu Ijai.
Yeah, I would say, sir.
With the laurels that you've won for yourself and for Ghana.
We are still in the sports. And but looking at the achievement so far, to me as one of the para athletes in the country, they made me I've contributed my quota. But in terms of the celebration or like honoring Bucho as it is, you know, if I say it's a little bit down because me can say I've been running for Ghana for over getting to 18 years now.
18 years.
But me racing chairman the two Americano, or mine to be Mamida. It's all about support and an individual and all.
Or minus Ghana, and me ma one wheelchair.
One sponsored chair. Say, Bucho has been to the Olympics 3 times, 3 times Commonwealth, 3 times All African Games, 3 times.
3 times Olympics, 3 times Commonwealth, 3 times Africa Games,
and 3
times World Championship. And no, you come with a laurel.
And all this time, the chair I used to be is through my effort.
Your effort
and through the sponsorship from outside Ghana sometimes. So with that, you know, let me say, and no idea sometimes. And it feels now that I'm hoping, say, African Para Game is going to happen, Paris 2024. No, I'll be able to compete in a racing chair. Let me say on my media.
Raphael Bucho in Kagwe. Ono 3-time Paralympian ka parade a mo person be ka disability the ability no yes atim de be the moment wo sports mu no ya na e de para ti be bia beti para bia na say dem difo won so adwumadi a omudi e wakudi nim na ono akọ 3 times na wheelchair ya na wodidi dwumadi no e de te Ghana nim no ono a na se benya do abofo bi emfi achichi ne benche na ya wo mo eboa no na aban de omo ana da bia da e won dwumadi a ogusu di mtini we yin nkoma wono so e dia tudwa rosem kese pa eno so etua sa tudwa ba che no so me se me producer Sergio Manuchu the oscillating and revolving reporter ene ne birthday ti bia wo bia onim Sergio number na wa take yama no why say baby tua sa box no wo take Sergio Manuchu birthday no mama no present na so mark na Sergio Manuchu nti happy birthday kese pa na nkoma eye Enoch Manu Kwansa ne din akasa no Sergio Manuchu na hutedini aje se wonam kokumi ha guess no na de say din ebo no mrane ana ni aka obia anonti Sergio Manuchu happy birthday kese pa ana enkoma Richoko ana yedidi Sergio birthday nti na pa bia obia no be kan ho affordable ye woketwa ye wadentem na afia obode no ho no ma wonsatimi ke betia sabo ma niam atia koyi Richoko no renewed energy and vitality ebo ma ultimate start to day right but modern da sounds betin aka Richoko ten bia no ebo na Richoko no enjoy dia e ma start to day right the Ghanaian way and yedi one dance e dia amount be bia e shopping bia wurema also per Richoko o mo techili pa and the dwumedi bro Game Park Limited phone paying for the chacha so kwetwa san ba mo food dia aid no enya asem ketwa kresan say draw no e happen in prensa within the day to ba Adom TV so a live draw anom de tentam so 9 pepe no na draw no yedi kan tia san ba so na afi 12 ne yedi kan etosum no enso be ba so na afi 6 pm ya san de etosum ensan etimia jaw anything so we san nema esia kwa na se when dia no pa obedi awia when dia awia so a obetimi adi anwumre eno pa ho a obiye ni ho a obitie also na e Ghana ha nti fa ho Game Park Limited omhihye sunkum ye ka Game Park Limited osemomula more power omtechiri pani de sanche sunkun etimi asabro regulated by the National Lottery Authority me pa choni mfiri motwe fa honyim oton so na de adwene kakra etia saton me so esu de health tip apomode ho sem ahia enti ye de ho komo kakra so etia asabro Adom TV eso ide de na no pay awo ka kire busuafo ne nafofo so mbeti health tips ebe beti asabwa na apomode ho sem etia koya ebebo pa me de profit ki wala sa kudi catch back open am of course evidence based presentation to jaw the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.